Okay, buddy, let's head home. Steering wheels aren't just for steering. We use it as a grab handle to lever our bodies in and out of the car. After a while, this happens. The annoying steering wheel wobble. What a pain in the neck. Easy to fix though. First things first, disconnect the battery and walk away for a few minutes. Don't want that airbag blowing up in your face. Now to take the airbag off the car. You'll need a T30 screwdriver, and on the back there is a bolt on each side. Undo those bolts. Lift the airbag off towards yourself and undo the connector in the back. Also disconnect the connection for the horn. Next, take the steering wheel nut off, 19mm, and then push the cables through that hole, trying to maintain the orientation of the clock spring, and gently wiggle the steering wheel off. Before I remove the steering wheel, I make a mark on the spline and on the wheel, so when I reinstall the steering wheel it's back in the same place and it won't be off center. Disconnect from below. I tape the two halves of the clock spring case together so it doesn't accidentally unwind, and set it out of the way up on the dashboard. Now you can really see how much play there is in this steering wheel column. Up and down, side to side. Over the years it's just gotten bad. Remove the two screws in that housing and remove the housing. You can see the bits of disintegrated plastic bushing just spitting out. Just look at the play in that column, and the non-existent plastic bushing just totally gone. Just pry the bearing out. It's got a rubber collar. Bearings are no longer available, but they're still good. Take the rubber collar off, clean out that bearing really well, removing all the black bits of bushing, re-grease it, reapply the rubber donut on it, and get ready to install the new bushing. Thankfully, the column bushing and the lock ring are still available from Saab parts. About 10 bucks for both of them together. Easy, cheap repair. Insert the bushing into the donut and bearing, slide down over the steering column. Slide the lock ring on and tamp it down firmly. I used a section of pipe and tapped it tight. Carefully reinstall the clock spring and then the steering wheel and the nut, and look, no movement. Airbag on, no side to side movement, no waffle. Yay! Good luck. Saab on!
Saab Magic Man.